Nah, like, Walker's would taste nice.
Where's the general?
Walker's would taste nice.
Nah, man, yeah, Walker, come here, man. You no good again. Open the top, me G. Yeah, man. Yeah, me general. Put him, give a seat for the top there. Yeah.
The story gonna get nice now. Father would change me whole heap, you know.
Rubbish, no matter with the rubbish, man. Where you say go on?
Father would change me whole heap, you know.
I want to them brother and them good argument in idea, man. Open the top, me general. Right this way, sir. Right this way. Walk up now, man. Look more pep in that step now, sir.
Welcome to another funny Jamaican video from WTFV. Hope you're having a great day or night. Well, make yourself comfortable and let's get into the laughter.
The man was boxing in our face.
So why they came for him?
And not him then come for transport authority to work on road. And my brother was sister some kind of bridge in park there so. And then lift him up and box him up.
No we are going and to police work. Police work have to serve and protect, you understand? This are like kill and destroy.
Yes.
We tell the truth, in a erroneous time like no. Where a bag of things are going my life.
All the madness are going to the country. Force me to see a cardboard license plate. How would that? Yo, Jamaica is not a real place, bro. What?
This is what you call a madman standard.
Oh, no.
But hold on, it's not a standoff. It's a bucking contest.
I hold him up.
Jackfoot, very good at.
How that? Allow the man they meant to meet them jackfruit in peace, star.
Welcome to Maccabees Medical Monday. Today it's all about this, the cucumber, or as they call it in Jamaica, cucumber. Cucumber. Vitamins, minerals, very high number, silica, hair and nails get longer, other vitamins make your bones them stronger, anti-wrinkle make you look younger, 95% water, kidney cleanser, great hydrator, detox, fiber, good regulator, give your body good things, don't be a traitor, get the cucumber, cut it in a slice, put it in a jug of water overnight, you know what you get for a fraction of the price? Energy drink full of electrolyte, roaring salad is one of the use as a base for your vegetable juice, another surprise, put a slice on your eyes, take away the dryness, revitalize, oh yes. One thing I have left, cucumber can also help with bad breath. Wash away the bacteria that cause the odor. Cucumber water instead of soda. A Maccabee Medical Monday. Cucumber.
You're a madman, man. Nobody can give my girl too much joy. If somebody there me give my girl joy, one look for my girl, you know, so if you don't laugh here tonight.
Everything in the community last night had to close because of the mosquito invasion.
If you want us to synchronize swimming or dancing, hawks the mosquito, synchronize dancing. In the sky, come up and go down and dance and come around and go back on. Whole group of them. Me not hawks nobody that.
I'm calling on the health department to take immediately the action of spray.
What is it? I bought them 2 me time out and 2 me time out some in a mouse. Remember me name Munchi to talk about and me have what it takes and what it can take and what it participates. Remember, and me say Vim from Vital to hold me tight, squeeze me right, never let me go sticky this stuff must come back after call me name and want me and company. Never late.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. So on to she.
She?
Yeah.
So miserable.
She.
She have no sad story.
Yeah.
I be a glory story about she.
She.
She a happy story about she. She make man laugh.
She.
Yeah.
Them say Jamaican I wear they set of people and I see it for myself for true. After I go buy my lunch and I come back, this man I go see me when I give me one thing for feel me up. Anyway, right over there so in the day. Right over there so.
Then where you get thing in your hand, missus? Where you get it from?
Only when storm or so them come and tell us to we evaporate.
We evaporate? Mama, you sure that then say?
And go to a higher level. Resident.
When me that training school on fire, shot no fire back, you know. Serve and protect, no serve and take shot. Oi! Me dey on lunch break. Show me now they hungry. Little syrup. Oi! It's up on lunch break, man. Me off duty. Man, you make shot catch me. Oh. So me go here. Shoot that. Just fire shot back. On Waterloo Road. Me can't come to here and you in a such a pretty car and I have $20. You don't come from planet Earth.
Man, I'm a dog.
I'm not drive past here. Today I make that road.
Lady, man, just send me a video and show it.
You not drive past here.
Oh, tomorrow you're a car. Shall you even find it? No, mommy, no. Don't do it, mommy, don't do it. Oh, dog, a drama, dog.
We come in the supermarket to buy cheese. So, when we come in the supermarket, we take up the cheese. And we take up the cheese, look here. All of the pan them empty. All of them empty, see there? Empty. Empty because them say them a thief the cheese too much. So them put on all empty pans. So when you go to the cashier, you tell them what size they want. See there? All of the pan empty. All I cheese for empty. I never see this from a barn.
This video is only for small TikTok pages. So if you have 5,000 followers or less, use this sound on your video. And I want everyone on TikTok to go support these small pages.
That's why cigarette, man. That's why I tell you, I can't give him. Put on the mask over your mouth. Too much rain and fall out. That's all.
You keep moving blood clot.
Tappy.
I push him and look, I'm in a pussy begin. I push him and shop. I push him and beg me.
A lie.
I'm one generation, I beg me pussy. I'm a beg me pussy. I'm a pussy mash up. Then boy mash up my pussy.
When?
You must have good time.
Come on, kin teeth, man. Bite the bag juice, me can get some now. Bite the bag juice now, brother. Brother, bite the bag juice now. Oh, God, man. Come on, brother. Bite the bag juice, brother. What go on here, man? Bite the bag juice now, kin teeth. God. Kin teeth. Stop playing with me. Bite the bag juice. Bite the bag juice. You can't bite it. God.